And as you can hear, the tornado sirens are now going off as Halloween now comes to an end. Now, this Halloween has been the second time in 145 years it has snowed. And as you can see, just a wintry mess out there. Now, I just want to talk about some things about this winter. So right now we're going to go into an El Nino, and we're now officially past Halloween. It is now time for, I'm going to say Thanksgiving's really part of Christmas. And as you can see, it is cold, so I am now putting on a hat, everything, and I am getting ready for the winter season. It is a cold day. Temperatures were really low, and I just want to say, I hope everyone had a great Halloween.